And that's exactly how my drone landed on some frozen section of the Allegheny River. I just hope it will take off smoothly as well. This was a beautiful sunny morning, but it was still a bone-chilling, skin-cracking 3-degree Fahrenheit temperature outside. And when I went by the river, it felt colder than that. I was not worried about landing my drone on an icy surface because it was not heavy to sink, and I've already tested those spots by throwing some stones, and they just slid away. However, one thing I never tested was to take off the drone by using my remote from like 40 to 50 feet away. The system actually worked just perfectly, and the drone took off flawlessly and kept going. After the drone successfully took off, I wanted to capture some video by doing very low altitude flyby. Those were not even 10 feet off the surface of the river, and they turned out pretty cool. I'm not encouraging everyone to do something like this. After all, this is a very expensive toy. For me, that much money means a lot. However, it was a pretty cool experience. Enjoy the rest of the video. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.